MaShuai City Alpha 0.4.400 is coming soon. Now added 2D clouds made with noise texture. And now improved shader. Scene is more light. You can set visibility of clouds in options. And you can drive a car now. But it is experimental update. Stability driving car will coming soon at next big update. Now added a experimental scene for player take part in driving test. You can enjoy driving car at here, but now UI has no texture. Look at the door. How can I go out? In old version, door of houses is still opening because cannot open and close. But now it can open and close. Steel burger, oh no, run. By the way, although the world has new car, but they can't driving. That is Alpha 0.4.400. Stable will come at the end of June.